Hello, thank you for watching my video. Previous video I have discussed, and I have already done question, that is the one is for linear equation, that is one is unique solution, about the unique solution, and second I have already completed, that is no solution. Today I will be start, that is infinite or many solution, infinite or many solution. Firstly, I am telling you what is the graphically of how will you know the how you will draw the graphical process of infinite many solution. This is y axis and this is x axis. Okay. This is one line. I just draw for a equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Another one equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Now what we are looking here? We are looking here, this is a two equation in one line. Two equation in one line. One line is two equation. So that if two equation is going through a one line, that is called many solution. Many solution. We can also tell the many solution, that is the infinite many solution, that also we can call the consistent, and we can call also consistent and dependent. Okay, sometimes the question will be given if two line is consistent, but many solution will be not given in question. How will you know? So that two types the question will be given, either many solution or consistent. Then you will even know that this is many solution. This is graphically process. Okay, but in the algebraical process, how will you do? That is algebraical process, how will we do? Same, a1 will take a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Okay, this is all will be equal. This ratio and this ratio will be equal. This is, we can also call this solution, that is coincident line. We can also call coincident line. Means coincident line means two equation is going through one line. Okay, I have already told you what is the graphical process of a method of a menu solution. How will we know the menu solution? What is the algebraical process? This is the algebraical process. You will even know the menu solution. Now I am just telling you one equation I am writing and one question I am writing. How the question will come of many solution question? How the many solution question will come? I am just doing, and you see. And write the question. Question for what value of k for what value of k which the pair of equation 2x plus 3y equal to 7, and this is one equation given, another equation also given, k minus 1 whole into x plus k plus 2 whole into y equal to 3k. This type of a question will be given, and at last it will be writing, that is, have a infinite many solution. Okay, how will we do? Firstly, I am telling you, this is important. When you will see this is linear equation, math is coming in your examination, that time you see, firstly you will write the A1 value, A2 value, B1 value, B2 value, C1 value and C2 value. Then you will apply the comparison process, or what is question given, that you will do. Okay, so that we know that the A1 is 2, A2 this is A1, B1 3, C1 minus 7, A2 k minus 1, B2 k plus 2, C2 minus 3k. Okay, now I am comparing this. Okay, A1 by A2, so that 2 by k minus 1 equal to B1 by B2, 3 by k plus 2, C1 by C2 minus 7 by minus 3k. Now we will first, if I will comparing 1, then the answer will become. We need not be go the second comparing. Okay, one comparing I will do properly, then that answer will come. Okay, first this I will be comparing now. Okay, see, 2 by k minus 1 equal to 3 by k plus 2. Now I will multiply by the cross multiplication method. 2 into k plus 2, 2 whole into k plus 2 is equal to 3 whole into k minus 1. Then 2k plus 4 equal to 3k minus 3. Now see, 2k minus 3k. Now we will be do variable one side, so that 2k minus 3k is equal to minus 3 plus 4 minus 4 minus 2k minus 3k minus k equal to minus 7, k cancel, that implies k is equal to 7. What is the k value? 7. If you will be comparing this second one also, that also same answer will come. Same answer will come. Okay, now I am doing that. B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Okay, B1 by B2, that is 3 by k plus 2, C1 by C2 minus 7 by minus 3k. Firstly minus minus cancel, then 7 into k plus 2, 7 into k plus 2 equal to 3 into 3k, that is 7k plus 14 is equal to 9k. 7k minus 9k, and 14 will be go right side, that is minus 14. 7k minus 9k, that is minus 2k equal to minus 14, minus minus cancel, k is equal to 14 by 2 is equal to 7. Same answer is coming. If now you also, if you will compare here, A2 by A1 is equal to C1 by C2, that also comes same answer. Okay. Once again you write this question answer. I have done. Okay. See, if you have any doubts, just to comment me and subscribe this channel. And you just wait. If you will subscribe this channel, then you can find the latest video. Okay. Thank you for watching my channel.